Shri Gurubhyo Namaha children. See, this is 12th standard CBSE chapter 7 exercise 7.4 first sum integral 3x square by x power 6 plus 1 into dx. See here x square, here x power 6. So you can take it as integral 3x square by 3x square by x cube the whole square, x cube the whole square, because 3 2s are 6, a power m whole power n equal to a power mn exponential, x cube the whole square plus 1 into dx. See, x cube, differentiation of x cube, derivative of x cube is what? 3x square. If the terms comes like that, you can take it as x cube equal to t, x cube equal to t. Differentiate with respect to x, differentiate with respect to x, x cube become 3x square, n into x power n minus 1, 3x square equal to dt by dx. So 3x square into dx, 3x square into dx equal to what? Dt. So you can substitute 3x square into dx is nothing but what? Dt by x cube is what? T. X cube is t. T square plus 1. So what is the value of integral dt by t square plus 1? 1 by a tan inverse of x by a, 1 by a. See, x square plus a square, 1 by a value is 1. Tan inverse of x by a, x value is t by 1 plus c. So it gives 1 tan inverse of, because 1 by 1 is 1, tan inverse of t plus c. You replace that value t by what? X cube. So it gives tan inverse of x cube plus c, tan inverse of x cube plus c. See the second sum, integral dx. You can see to that there is no coefficient in x. So you can take it as 4 out. What is the remaining thing? Because it is not a multiple of 4, you can write it as what? 1 by 4 plus x square. 1 by 4 plus x square. Square root of 4 is what? 2. 1 by 2, or otherwise you can write it here itself, integral dx by 2 into root of, you write it in a proper way, x square plus 1 by 4. So it gives 1 by 2 into integral dx by root of x square plus that 1 by 4, I can write as what? 1 by 2 the whole square. So what is the formula for this? Integral dx by root of x square plus a square equal to log of modulus of x plus root of x square plus a square plus c. Integral dx by root of x square plus a square equal to log of modulus of x plus root of x square plus a square plus c. So this is x square, this is a square. So it gives 1 by 2 integral dx by root of x square plus 1 by 2 the whole square equal to 1 by 2 log of modulus of x value as it is x plus root of x square plus 1 by 2 the whole square. 1 by 2 the whole square plus c. So you will write 1 by 2 log of modulus of x plus root of x square plus 1 by 4 plus c. So third sum, integral 1 by root of, it is in a square, so you can change the value also, because see here, minus, you can take it as commonly out, minus x minus 2 the whole square, minus I can take it as commonly out, so minus of x minus 2 the whole square plus 1 square plus 1 square. So it gives integral 1 by root of square, minus become plus. So x minus 2 the whole square plus 1 square into dx. 1 square into dx. See here, in front of x coefficient minus is there, so I can take it out. So minus of x minus 2 the whole square, it is in a square, that minus become plus. It gives x minus 2 the whole square plus 1 square. What is the formula for that? Previously we have seen that formula. Integral dx by root of x square plus a square equal to log of modulus of x plus root of x square plus a square plus c. So in the place of x, what is the value? X square, what is the value there? X minus 2 the whole square. A square is 1 square. So it gives log of modulus of x minus 2 plus root of x minus 2 the whole square plus 1 square, x minus 2 the whole square plus 1 square plus c. So you can write it in a proper way. See here, log of modulus of x minus 2 plus root of x minus 2 the whole square plus 1 plus c. Okay. See the fourth sum, integral 1 by root of 9 minus 25 x square. Coefficient is there. In front of x square, coefficient is there 25. You can take it out. So it gives integral 1 by, you can see to that there is no coefficient in x square. So you can take it as 25 out. What is the remaining thing? 9 minus x square into dx. 9 minus x square into dx. So it gives integral 1 by root of 5. 25 means you can take it as 5 out. 9 minus x square into dx. So 1 by 5 into integral 1 by root of 3 square minus x square into dx. 3 square minus x square into dx. So what is the formula for 1 by root of a square minus x square into dx? Sin inverse of x by a. Sin inverse of x by a plus c. The formula is sin inverse of by a plus c. So 1 by 5 integral 1 by root of 3 square minus x square into dx equal to sin inverse of, that is 1 by 5 into 1 by 5 into sin inverse of x by a. X value as it is x, by a value is 3 plus c. See the fifth sum. See here also there is coefficient is there. So you can take the coefficient out. First you can see the coefficient of x power anything in the denominator. So what is the value? 3x by, I can take it as 2 commonly out, but there is no multiple of 2 in the first term. So you can write it as what? 1 by 2 plus x power 4. 1 by 2, it is not a multiple of 2. So you can write it as divided by 2. 2 into 1 by 2 plus x power 4 into dx. So you can write 1 by 2 into integral 3x by 1 by 2 plus you can write x square the whole square into dx. X square the whole square into dx. A power m whole power n is what? A power mn. Now you can take it as what? That 3 also constant, you can take it out. So 3 by 2 into x by 1 by 2 plus x square the whole square into dx. Okay, so you can take it as x square equal to t. X square equal to t. Differentiate with respect to t. Differentiate with respect to x. Sorry, differentiate with respect to x. What is x square become? 2x. It gives t become what? dt by dx. T become dt by dx. So 2x into dx. 2x into dx equal to dt, but in the numerator you have a value x dx. So x dx equal to 1 by 2 dt. X dx equal to 1 by 2 dt. So you can substitute all the values in the sum. What is the value you are getting? See here, 3 by 2 integral. 3 by 2 integral x dx 1 by 2 dt by 1 by 2 dt by 1 by root 2 the whole square. You can write such a way, 1 by root 2 the whole square plus what is the value of x square? What we have taken there? T. It is t square. So it gives 3 by 2 into 1 by 2 integral 3 by 2 into 1 by 2 integral dt by 1 by root 2 the whole square plus t square. So what is the formula for this? Integral dx by a square plus x square equal to 1 by a tan inverse of x by a plus c. Okay, so it gives, you will write it as 3 by 4 integral dt by 1 by root 2 the whole square, 1 by root 2 the whole square plus t square 1 by root 2 the whole square plus t square. It gives 3 by 4 into, what is the formula? This is a square, this is x square. 1 by a tan inverse of x by a plus c. 1 by a value is what? 1 by root 2. A value is 1 by root 2. Tan inverse of x value is what? T. X value is t. A value is what? 1 by root 2 plus c. So it gives 3 by 4, 3 by, it reciprocal that value, it becomes root 2. It becomes root 2 into tan inverse of root 2 t, reciprocal that value, root 2 t plus c, root 2 t plus c. See that 4 you can split up into, see here, 3 by 4 you can split up into what? 2 into 2. 2 2s are 4. Root 2 tan inverse of root 2 t plus c. So that 2 you can split up into root 2 into root 2. 2 you can split up into root 2 into root 2 into 2 root 2 tan inverse of root 2 t plus c. So root 2 get cancelled. So what is the value? 3 by 2 root 2. 3 by 2 root 2 tan inverse of root 2. You can change the value by x because it is sum is in the form of x. What is the t value? X square. T value is what? X square plus c. See the sum. Sixth sum, integral x square by 1 minus x power 6 into dx. X square. When you will get the differentiation x square, x cube. Differentiation of x cube is 3x square. You don't mind about the constant term. You can think about the power x square. Okay. See here, you can take it as, you can write in a form x square by 1 minus x cube the whole square. A power m into whole power n equal to a power mn into dx. Now you can take it as x cube equal to t. You can take it as x cube equal to t. Differentiate with respect to x. Differentiate with respect to x. X cube become what? 3x square. X cube become 3x square equal to dt by dx. dt by dx. So 3x square into dx equal to dt. 3x square into dx equal to dt. X square into dx equal to 1 by 3 dt. X square because the numerator contains x square into dx. X square into dx equal to 1 by 3 dt. So it's here. You can change everything in t form. X square dx. X square dx is what? 1 by 3 dt by 1 minus what is x cube value? T square. T square. It is a constant, so you can take it out. 1 by 3 into integral dt by 1 you can write as 1 square. 1 square value is what? 1 minus t square. So what is the formula? Integral dx by a square minus x square equal to 1 by 2a log of modulus of a plus x minus a plus x minus a minus x plus c. A plus x minus a plus x by a minus x plus c. So it gives 1 by 3 integral dt by 1 square minus t square. In the place of a, 1 is there. In the place of x, t is there. So you can substitute all the values in the given formula. See here, 1 by 3 into 1 by 3 into 1 by 2a. A value is what? 1. A square minus x square. A value is 1. Log of modulus of a plus x 1 plus t, x is t, 1 plus t by 1 minus t plus c. So it gives 1 by 6, 3 2s are 6. Log of modulus of 1 plus what is the value of t here? What is the value of t? X cube. X cube, because you change the value t by x cube, because the sum is in a form of x, the answer should be in the form of x only. 1 plus x cube by 1 minus x cube plus c. Log of modulus of 1 plus x cube by 1 minus x cube plus C. See the seventh sum, integral x minus 1 by root of x square minus 1 into dx. First you can take it as I equal to integral x minus 1 by root of x square minus 1 into dx. In the previous sum also you can take it as I equal to, you will do the sum like that. Okay. Now you can split the term I equal to integral x by root of x square minus 1 minus 1 by, or you can take it as plus into minus 1 by root of x square minus 1 into dx. So I equal to, this is I1 plus I2. Separately you find the value and you can substitute in the final equation of I. Okay, final term of I. First you can take it as I1. What is I1? I1 is integral x by root of x square minus 1 into dx. Integral root of x by root of x square minus 1 into dx. See, x square minus 1 you can take it as t, because differentiation of x square is what? 2x. So x square minus 1 you can take it as t. Differentiate with respect to x. Differentiate with respect to x. Differentiate with respect to x. X square become what? 2x. X square become 2x minus 1 become 0 because it is a constant term. T become dt by dx. T with respect to x. So it gives 2x into dx equal to dt, but in the numerator what is the value there? X dx. So x dx equal to 1 by 2. So x dx equal to 1 by 2 into dt. 1 by 2 into dt. Therefore I1 equal to integral x dx equal to 1 by 2 dt by, what is that? X square minus 1. What you kept there? T. So you can write as what? Root t. So 1 by 2 is a constant. You can take it out. I1 equal to 1 by 2 into integral dt by t power 1 by 2. It gives 1 by 2 into integral. You can bring it into the numerator. It becomes, the power become negative. So t power minus 1 by 2 into dt. What is the formula? What formula we can use it for this? Yeah, integral x power n into dx equal to x power n plus 1 by n plus 1. So it gives 1 by 2 into t power minus 1 by 2 plus 1 by minus 1 by 2 plus 1 plus c. So it gives, see here, see, I1 equal to 1 by 2 into I1 equal to 1 by 2 into t power 1 by 2 by 1 by 2 plus c, because 2 as the denominator, 2 as the LCM, minus 1 plus 2 whole divided by 2, it comes what? 1 by 2. 1 by 2 get cancelled. What is the final value? I1 equal to t power 1 by 2 plus c. What you kept for t? T equal to x square, t equal to x square minus 1. So I1 equal to x square minus 1 whole power 1 by 2 plus c, or you can change the value whole power 1 by 2 as root. I1 equal to root of x square minus 1 plus c. Now you move on to I2. See what is the value of I2? I2 equal to integral minus 1 by root of x square minus 1 square into dx. So you can take it as minus out. What is the remaining thing? 1 by root of x square minus 1 square into dx. So what is the formula for that? Integral dx by, you should thorough with all the formulas, then one you can start the sum. Okay, dx by integral dx by root of x square minus a square equal to log of modulus of x plus root of x square minus a square plus c. Integral dx by root of x square minus a square equal to log of modulus of x plus root of x square minus a square plus c. It gives, see, in the place of x, x is there, in the place of a, 1 is there. What is the value? Log of modulus of x plus root of x square minus 1 square, x square minus 1 square plus c. X square minus 1 square plus c. If you want, you can take it as this is c1 and this is c2 also, but all are constant. It is a arbitrary constant, so at last you can write c only. Okay, is it clear for you? So I equal to I1 plus I2. The given sum equal to I1 plus I2. It gives I equal to, what is I1 value? I1 equal to root of x square minus 1. At last you will write c. Okay, plus what is I2? Log of modulus of x plus root of x square minus 1. You can put plus c, because c is the arbitrary constant. You don't write separately. If you want, you can write it for your reference. You can write it I1 equal to c1 and I2 equal to c2. At last you will write as c, because c is an arbitrary constant. So what is the value for that? I equal to root of x square minus 1 plus log of modulus of x plus root of x square minus 1 plus c.